Up first this evening, brace for protest action. TVJ News has been informed that several teachers are planning industrial action this week to force the government to make an improved wage offer. The Jamaica Teachers Association, in the meantime, says teachers will also be meeting this week to make a decision on the government's wage offer under the Compensation Review Program. The JTA is among several groups which have so far rejected the offers under the salary structuring program. Speaking on Radio Jamaica's Jamaica Teachers Association this evening, LaSonia Harrison said a decision will be made.
Opportunity to come online, hear for him or herself what have been the developments since the last special conference held on February 3rd. And so they have been charged to go find their delegates and give them a mandate come March 8th.
She says the delegates have been holding spot meetings with teachers across the island in the weeks to discuss the package.
Frustrated with the process in light of our, individual circumstances. That's not lost on us and certainly not on me as president. But it is very important that as we go forward, we want to ensure that month to month we are able to live on that whenever it is that we do come to an agreement.